If you're looking for an indicator that's perfect for identifying ICT's power of 3, then you've come to the right video. Before I show you this indicator and walk you through all the features, let's quickly go over what the ICT Power of 3 actually is. The Power of 3 is a concept that refers to 3 key market phases that can help traders find deadly trade setups. These 3 phases are referred to as AMD, or accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. First, we have an accumulation phase. This is where smart money starts building their positions. This phase will look like price is in a range without clear direction, reflecting a period of consolidation. Next, we have the manipulation phase. This is also known as a stop hunt, where price will move sharply in one direction to trigger stop losses and deceive retail traders. This phase often generates volatility and is used by smart money to create liquidity so they can add to their position. And finally, we have the distribution phase. After the manipulation phase, the price moves in the intended direction of smart money. This phase is characterized by a clear trend, either upward or downward. Traders who understand these phases and know how to identify them can make better informed decisions and improve their win rate. A lot of people struggle to pinpoint these exact phases in the price action, and this is why we created a free indicator that automates the entire thing for you. To add this indicator, open up TradingView. Go to the Indicators tab and search for ICT Power of 3. Click on this one here by Flux Charts. Once you've added the indicator to your chart, it will look something like this. You'll be able to see the accumulation zones, manipulation zones, buy signals, sell signals, and much more. I'll jump into the settings and explain everything so you're equipped to start trading with this indicator by the end of the video. The script offers different modes such as small manipulation, short accumulation, and big manipulation, each affecting the accumulation length and size parameters. You can customize settings for breakout methods, accumulation size, and manipulation size through input options, enhancing flexibility based on trading preferences. As you can also see, the indicator clearly marks on the chart the different phases in different colors, so it is easy to tell what is coming next. You can calculate dynamic or fixed stop loss and take profit levels based on your preferences. The indicator even provides visual markers for these levels on the chart. If you want to be alerted for your buys, sells, take profits, and stop losses, you can set up alerts in the settings. Just select all the alerts you want to receive and then right-click your chart and create a new alert. A lot of people know that without backtesting a strategy, it is useless. That's why we included a backtesting feature to display performance metrics such as total entries, wins, losses, win rate, and profit percentages. You can enable this through the indicator settings. When you adjust one of the settings of the indicator, the new backtested results will automatically be displayed. Overall, the ICT Power of 3 indicator is a comprehensive tool designed to assist traders in identifying and executing trades based on market cycles of accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Its robust configuration options, combined with clear visual markers and alert functionalities, makes it a valuable tool for traders. If you found this indicator useful, please drop a like on the video and try it out for free yourself. Also, make sure to join our free Discord where we share free trade ideas and signals. We're also live streaming our trading sessions, so make sure to join if you want to see how professionals dominate the market. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.